In this video, we will show you how to enable macros in Microsoft Excel. Okay, maybe the Excel version will different with this, but actually to enable macros, you can just click the files and select options. After that, you can see there is Trust Center. Just click Trust Center here and select Trust Center settings. In here, you need to tick the enable VBA macros. Okay. Also, you can select Trust Access to the VBA project object model. You can also enable this option. So you can click OK. After that, we will create the macro files. Okay, the easiest way, we can go to Quick Access toolbar here or Customize ribbon, and you can scroll down, tick the developer options. After that, you can click OK. In here, you will have developer option, and you can using macro in here. For example, I'm insert the button, okay, and button one click. Okay, this is button. And to save as macro, you can just click File and click Save As and select Browse. And you can select as macros, okay. Excel macro enable workbook with the extension .xlsm and click Save. Now, in here, you have the macros files. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to enable macros in Microsoft Excel. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. Oh, once again for the tips, to create a code on this macro, you can just right click here and click assign macros. And you can click new or record. Usually I just click new and macros in only on this workbook or all open the workbook. Just this workbook for example and click new. Now you have button click even in here. So you can just write your code using these macros. Okay, so that's all how you can enable macros on Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to click save book here after you write the code. And thanks for watching.